I have my sausage cut up in 2-inch chunks. For this I use the andouille sausage, a little Cajun spice. Next up I have a bunch of red potatoes, all quartered, and then I have a bunch of corn. And I cut the corn in thirds. I have 2 bags of shrimp, so this is about, I think, 70 to 80 shrimp. So just letting that kind of thaw out a little bit. I have my 2 white onions quartered. I have 2 lemons cut in half. I'll be squeezing those and then putting the whole thing in with the water. I have sea salt, bay leaves, cayenne pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Bud Light, and some minced garlic instead of fresh. I'm mixing this all into 4 quarts of water, 1 beer, half a cup of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne, 3 bay leaves, 2 onions, 2.5 teaspoons garlic, and 1 lemon. And I have the stock pot over there on the stove, nice and ready. 4 quarts of water is in the pot, and then I'll be adding all of the ingredients that I had mentioned previously. So all this is going to go into the 4 quarts of water. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we'll move on to our next step.